Kim Jong-il wanted better movies, so he stole the people who could make them. In 1978, North Korean agents grabbed South Korean actress Choi Yoon-hee off the streets of Hong Kong. Then they went after her ex-husband, celebrated director Shin Sang-ok, and vanished him too. Both were brought to Pyongyang. Both were handed over to Kim Jong-il personally. For 8 years, the couple lived inside a nightmare with a very strange shape. Kim screened films with them late into the night. He hosted them at dinner. He called himself their patron. He genuinely seemed to believe they were grateful. They made films. They smiled. They performed appreciation toward the man who had erased their lives. And the whole time, they were planning to run. In 1986, during a film festival in Vienna, they finally broke away and reached the American embassy. But here is the part that stays with you. Kim Jong-il never seemed to understand what he had done to them. He thought he was their friend. Stay in the creep loop. Follow for the next case file.